Replacing GTE Sylvania breakers, specifically the 3-pole 50 amp type, can be difficult because the original breakers are discontinued and no longer manufactured. Finding compatible replacements is essential to maintaining a safe and functional electrical system. Fortunately, several alternatives are available from other manufacturers. Square D offers their Homeline QO and QOB series breakers as potential replacements. Specifically, the 3-pole 50 amp THUL 5030, which is QO, or THUB 5030, which is QOB, may be suitable. GE also provides a compatible option with their THUL series. The 3-pole 50 amp THUL 5030 breaker is a direct replacement option. Siemens offers a QO series breaker that may be compatible. The 3-pole 50 amp Q230 5030 is another option to consider. Eaton's CH series includes the CH5030, a 3-pole 50 amp breaker that could work in your GTE Sylvania panel. Before proceeding with any breaker replacement, it's extremely important to verify compatibility with the specific GTE Sylvania panel in use. Consult the panel's user manual for a list of approved breakers, or contact the manufacturer directly for confirmation. The panel's label or documentation will provide crucial information about its specifications and the types of breakers it's designed to accept. Installing breakers that are not specifically approved for use in the panel can create a safety hazard and potentially damage the electrical system. Keep in mind that the availability of these compatible breakers may vary depending on the region. Check with local electrical supply stores or online retailers to determine which breakers are readily accessible in your area. If replacing multiple breakers, it's generally recommended to replace them all simultaneously to maintain balance within the electrical system. This is especially important for 3-pole breakers, as mismatched breakers can lead to uneven current distribution and potential overloads. Finally, and most importantly, have a licensed electrician perform the breaker replacement. Electrical work can be dangerous, and a qualified electrician will have the knowledge, skills, and experience to ensure the replacement is done safely and correctly. They can also identify any underlying issues with the electrical system and make recommendations for repairs or upgrades. When selecting a replacement breaker, pay attention to its interrupting capacity, also known as the AIC rating, which stands for Ampere Interrupting Capacity. The AIC rating indicates the maximum amount of fault current the breaker can safely interrupt. It's crucial to choose a breaker with an AIC rating that meets or exceeds the requirements of the electrical system. The panel's label will specify the required AIC rating for the breakers installed in it. Using breakers with an insufficient AIC rating can create a serious safety hazard in the event of a short circuit or ground fault. Furthermore, be sure that the replacement breakers have the same physical dimensions and mounting style as the original GTE Sylvania breakers. This will ensure that they fit properly into the panel and make secure electrical connections. If the replacement breakers are slightly different in size or shape, it may be necessary to modify the panel or use adapter kits to ensure a proper fit. An electrician can assess the situation and determine the best course of action. Check the condition of the existing wiring and connections in the panel. Look for signs of damage such as frayed insulation, loose connections, or corrosion. If any issues are found, have them repaired before installing the new breakers. Faulty wiring can create a safety hazard and may prevent the breakers from functioning properly. Consider upgrading other components of the electrical system at the same time as the breaker replacement. For example, if the panel is old or outdated, it may be worthwhile to replace it with a newer model that has more features and improved safety features. Similarly, if the wiring is old or damaged, it may be a good idea to replace it with new wiring that meets current safety standards. Upgrading these components can improve the overall safety and reliability of the electrical system. Take the time to properly label the new breakers after they are installed. This will make it easier to identify which breaker controls which circuit, which can be helpful in the event of a power outage or other electrical issue. Use a permanent marker or label maker to create clear and legible labels. Keep a record of the breaker replacement, including the date of the replacement, the type of breakers that were installed, and the name of the electrician who performed the work. This record can be useful for future maintenance or repairs. Also, ensure that the replacement breakers are properly torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Over-tightening or under-tightening the connections can damage the breakers or create a safety hazard. Use a torque wrench to ensure that the connections are tightened to the correct torque value. After the breaker replacement is complete, test the operation of the breakers by turning them on and off. This will verify that they are functioning properly and that the circuits they control are working as expected. If any problems are encountered, have them investigated and repaired immediately. Remember that working with electricity can be dangerous, so it's always best to err on the side of caution. If there is ever any doubt about the safety or correctness of the work, stop and consult with a qualified electrician. Breakers protect the electrical system from overloads and short circuits. Breakers are designed to trip or interrupt the flow of electricity when the current exceeds a safe level, preventing damage to the wiring and equipment. Selecting the right size and type of breaker for each circuit is essential for ensuring proper protection. Also, it is essential to understand that breakers are not designed to last forever. Over time, they can wear out or become damaged, which can reduce their effectiveness. It's important to inspect breakers regularly and replace them if necessary. Circuit breakers serve as a critical safety component in any electrical system. They automatically interrupt the flow of electricity when an overcurrent or short circuit occurs, preventing potential fires and electrical hazards. Breakers are rated in amps, which indicates the maximum amount of current they can safely carry. Choosing the correct amp rating for each circuit is essential for proper protection. Overloading a circuit can cause the breaker to trip frequently, while using a breaker with too high of an amp rating can create a fire hazard. In addition to the amp rating, breakers are also classified by their interrupting capacity, which is the maximum amount of fault current they can safely interrupt. It's important to choose breakers with an interrupting capacity that meets or exceeds the requirements of the electrical system. The electrical panel should have a label indicating the required interrupting capacity. Breakers come in different types, including single-pole, double-pole, and three-pole breakers. Single-pole breakers are used for 120-volt circuits, while double-pole breakers are used for 240-volt circuits. Three-pole breakers are typically used for three-phase power systems. When replacing a breaker, it's essential to turn off the power to the circuit at the main breaker or service disconnect. This will prevent electrical shock. Remove the cover from the electrical panel and carefully disconnect the wires from the old breaker. Attach the wires to the new breaker, making sure to tighten the connections securely. Snap the new breaker into place in the electrical panel. Replace the cover on the electrical panel and turn the power back on. Test the operation of the new breaker by turning the circuit on and off. If the breaker trips immediately, there may be a problem with the circuit. Have a qualified electrician inspect the circuit and make any necessary repairs. Breakers are an essential part of any electrical system, providing protection against overcurrents and short circuits. By understanding the different types of breakers and how they work, you can ensure that your electrical system is safe and reliable. Regular maintenance and inspection of breakers can help to identify potential problems before they become serious. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous, and it's important to take the necessary precautions to prevent injury. Never work on electrical equipment while standing in water or on a wet surface. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate safety gear. If you have any questions about electrical safety, consult with a qualified electrician or your local electrical utility. Replacing GTE Sylvania breakers with compatible alternatives requires careful consideration of several factors. Firstly, confirm that the replacement breaker has the correct amp rating for the circuit it will be protecting. Secondly, ensure that the replacement breaker has the same number of poles as the original breaker. Thirdly, verify that the replacement breaker is compatible with the GTE Sylvania panel. Fourthly, check the interrupting capacity of the replacement breaker. Fifthly, inspect the wiring and connections in the panel. Sixthly, label the new breakers clearly. Seventhly, keep a record of the breaker replacement. Eighthly, torque the connections to the manufacturer's specifications. Ninthly, test the operation of the breakers. Tenthly, consult with a qualified electrician if you are not comfortable working with electricity.